Alright guys, today I've got this Abus 7240. I got two of these off of eBay actually. The lock does work. It's brand new. It is locked up. Here's the bitting on the key. Nothing too crazy. So, let's get this thing clamped up and see if we can get it open. I'm going to use top of the keyway, and since it's wide open, I think I'll use this pick from Sparrows. So let's see what we can do here. Hopefully my camera will last because the battery's just about dead. Alright, let's see what we've got here. Some on 3, 5, dropped something already. Alright, let's reset. I got something overset. I wasn't expecting this one to be this difficult. Maybe I'm having a bad day, I don't know. There we go, got a little false set. I need to get a deeper pick. I think I'm hung up on two here. Getting counter rotation, but I can't get it to set, and I'm losing my pick. Or my tension wrench, I'm sorry. I believe it's two that's got me hung up. This keyway is very difficult to keep a tension wrench in. Let's go back to this pick and see what we can do here. There's the tension wrench again. Maybe that's not the one that's holding me. The only one I'm getting counter rotation on now. I don't know how much longer my camera's gonna last if this shit keeps up. Come on, baby. Work with me here. Well, it's set, but I think I dropped something else. Or I thought it set. Keep getting the false set, but there we go. Alright, let's try to hurry up and get this thing opened up before my battery dies. Alright, let's get this going here. Phillips. That was my first attempt at opening this. I haven't opened it before on camera here. So, let's see what we have here. Let's get this clip off. I have a key, so let's lock it. That follower, alright, there are the pins. Oh, there's part of the problem. Looks like we've got some wafers and some of the key pins. Try not to lose them here so we can keep them in order. Alright, there's one head of wafer, 2 is standard. Oh, 3 had a wafer. 4 is standard. 5 standard. 6 standard. Now let's check upper pins. One is a standard. Oh, 2 is a spool and another master pin. 3 is a spool. 4 is a spool. 5 is a spool. And 6 is a spool. Alright guys, so obviously my battery didn't make it through the finish of the video, so let's go over these pins. As I was saying, this was the first time I picked this lock. I wasn't expecting these wafers, but we've got a standard key pin with the wafer in 1, standard in 2, standard with wafer in 3, a standard in 4, 5, and 6. The upper pins, 1 is standard, 2 is a spool with a standard pin. I'm not really sure what purpose this serves, unless it's for a control key maybe. I don't know. If anybody knows, feel free to leave a comment. And then 3, 4, 5, and 6 are all spools. So that's what we have in this ABUS 7240. As I said in the beginning of the video, I got 2 of these from eBay. I may pick the other one tonight. I'm kind of curious to find out if it's pinned similarly or not. So everybody, don't do anything illegal. Thank you for watching.